You won't believe this shot. Larry Bird had the entire defense on him. The clock ticking down with 1 second left. Everyone thought the Celtics were finished. But Bird pulled up from way outside and somehow drained it. The crowd exploded. The announcers lost their voices. And even the opponents stood there in disbelief. That moment became one of the most unforgettable shots in basketball history. Nobody could stop him. Every time the defense closed in, Bird found a way to score or make the perfect pass. Double teams didn't work. Traps didn't work. Nothing worked. He kept punishing defenders over and over again until they just looked defeated. That night, Bird proved he could dominate in a way that no one else in the league could. The greatest rivalry ever. Whenever Larry Bird and Magic Johnson stepped on the court, it wasn't just a game, it was history in the making. Bird's cold-blooded shooting against Magic's dazzling passing created a clash like no other. The Celtics and Lakers weren't just playing for wins. They were playing for pride, legacy, and the heart of basketball itself. Bird shocked everyone. In a moment where most players would never even attempt a shot, he rose up with total confidence. From an impossible angle, with defenders all over him, he let it fly. The ball swished through the net, and the entire arena gasped. Commentators screamed, fans went wild, and the other team stood frozen. Nobody expected it, but Bird made it look easy. He actually did it, with just 1 second left. The Celtics' hopes looked gone. Everyone thought the game was over, but Larry Bird glanced at the clock, squared up, and launched a deep shot. As the buzzer sounded, the ball dropped straight through the net. His teammates rushed the court. The crowd went insane, and people couldn't believe what they had just seen. Bird had pulled off the impossible. This pass was impossible. Larry Bird had defenders swarming him. The lane was clogged, and there seemed to be no way out. But with a flick of his wrist, he fired a no-look pass straight through traffic. The ball landed perfectly in his teammates' hands for an easy score. The crowd couldn't believe what they had just witnessed. Bird saw things on the court before anyone else even realized they were there. The coldest legend. Bird didn't need to say much. His game did the talking. With ice in his veins, he walked onto the court like he owned it. Pressure never bothered him. When the moment came, he would drain the shot, lock down the opponent, or make the perfect play. That calm confidence made him one of the coldest players the NBA has ever seen. Bird versus Jordan. Who won? Whenever these two icons went head-to-head, the world